What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Courtside Financial. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because NIO is very well documented on this channel. And also make sure you hit that like button because it really does go a long way in helping out the channel. So today we're going to be talking about NIO. The stock is currently trading at $19.27, up 1.53% for the day. So we have a few things to talk about for NIO today. Let's start with the fact that NIO is ranked the #1 vehicle in China in terms of quality. This report was released by the research firm JD Power, so the report goes off of problems for every 100 vehicles. NIO came in first place with 109 problems for every 100 vehicles, and Tesla came in second place with 113 problems for every 100 vehicles. The conclusions drawn from this report came from 3,267 real vehicle owners who purchased their vehicle from May 2019 to May 2020, so it's been an entire year. Now the interesting thing here is that Chinese brands had more problems than international brands, and NIO is obviously an exception to this statistic. We know that reliability is a huge driver of consumer purchase intentions, as no one wants to purchase a car that's always going to be a headache. Now this isn't the first time we've spoken about NIO's exceptional quality. Back in May, Auto Home released a report that ranked NIO #1 in terms of quality as well. So this is a good segue into the next thing that I wanted to discuss today. Yesterday, NIO's manufacturer, Jack, reported a 97.5 automation rate at their plant. The entire plant has a production capacity of 100,000 vehicles with 2,000 technicians on board and also 200 engineers from NIO. Now, obviously, yeah, the production capacity of the entire plant is 100,000, but Jack doesn't only manufacture NIO cars. But let's really think about this. NIO is a leader in quality, and 97.5% of their manufacturing process is automated. NIO plans to have a production capacity of 5,000 by the end of September, which is a 25% increase from the 4,000 production ceiling that they already have. Automation is really good for the fact that they plan to run multiple shifts at the factory in hopes to increase their vehicle output per month. So yes, NIO is supply constrained right now, but even without manufacturing their own cars, I do believe that they have the setup to continue ramping up their production ceiling. One of the bear's biggest arguments is that NIO doesn't even manufacture their own cars, but when you really look into it, this model has actually been working for them. And with time, I think it can continue to work out for them. So that's pretty much going to be it for today's video. I want to know what you guys think about these two things, NIO being #1 in terms of quality, and 2, the plant, their manufacturing partner, having a 97.5% automation rate. Leave me a comment down below. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.